Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have a few big parties coming up, engagement party and things like that I'm helping out with, and we needed some different steam trays for it. And so I got these here. I'm going to show you guys them. It comes with several of them. One, two, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 of them. I'm going to put these back in here because I'm not using them all now. I only need one for the demonstration to show you guys what we got here. And this is what it looks like. These are super heavy duty. But look at this. It's a nice stainless steel, super heavy duty chafing dish. You can fit it in there. It'll fit into the hole just perfectly on the steam trays. You can have the little sterno going underneath it. And it's a nice deep one. I got nice deep ones. So we can have super deep full of barbecue and corn in one and barbecue in another and different mashed potatoes, I think, and all that stuff. So we'll be serving a lot of stuff fast for some of these things there. And then after we're done, we'll be giving these to the food bank so they can serve the people there. So that's going to be coming really handy. So we're using it for got 2 events coming up, and then we're going to be letting them use it too because the price was just so good. To bet it's cheaper than renting these things. So these are great, super strong steel. Man, these are going to be good. These are perfect. I'll be able to carry them here. You can carry anything you want. You can see the size of it here. They're pretty big. They're probably, whatever, it's 15 inches and 8 inches deep or so. But really nice trays. So we're going to be able to get all our food going on that, and it is good. That's a full tray size. They also make them in half trays, which are either half that way or half this way, and then smaller loaf pans and whatnot as you need them. So, but I needed the big ones, so we have the big ones. So these are super cool, really nice. And so I would say pick these up for sure. You won't be feeling bad for these, man. These are really strong metal. They're gonna last, and they are awesome. Thumbs up.